Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're gonna see how we can clone one GitHub repository into our local system. So suppose on GitHub we have one repository called monkey site. Now suppose we wanted to modify the project, we wanted to add new features. So for this we need to have one copy into our local machine. So we can create this copy with this git clone command. So here we're on the GitHub repository called monkey site, and let's now see how we can copy or clone that project into our local machine. So for this we have to click on this green button, and here we have this URL of this repository. So we have to copy this. So here in the local machine you can see this folder is currently empty. So let's now clone in this folder. So we have to write the command git clone, and then we have to paste that URL and press enter. And you can see now the project is copied into our local machine. And you can see we have this folder, and the folder contains all the files of the project. So we can change the directory into that folder. So we are currently inside that folder. So if we run git status, we are currently on the main branch, and the branch is up to date with the remote origin main. We can modify our project, so we can remove this p tag. So after the modification we have to stage all of the changes, git add. So all the changes are staged. Now we have to commit that, git commit with the message p tag removed. So we have made the changes and the changes are committed. Here it says that this branch is ahead by one commit. We have to push those changes into our remote repository. We can simply write git push, and all of the changes will be pushed on to that remote repository. So here if we go inside that index.html, so now you can see the p tag has been removed. So this is the way we can clone any GitHub repository into our local machine, and then we can modify the project, and after the modification we can push those changes onto that remote repository. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.